How is everyone doing on this beautiful Monday? So, I am coming to you with an unboxing. Remember, I went to Lush at the Millennia Mall in Orlando, and I had purchased the bath bombs. Y'all know I'm into my home spa, and so I am doing an unboxing of a few of my favorite bath bombs, and these are the bomb. They smell so good, and when you put them in your water, it smells good right now. And when you put them in your bath water, your bath water actually turn the color of the bath bomb, and it has a beautiful fragrance as well. So let's see. So first we'll start with the Lush Fresh. So everything is all natural. Oh, and it smells so good, y'all. Handmade. Everything is handmade. Okay, so I spent $14.80, and you all can visit them at lushusa.com. Okay. I love this store. Okay. Let Coco play with that. Coco loves to play with paper. She does. She loves to play. She loves to play with paper. So, okay. So, and they gave me some sample scrub. I just love paper. So this is the sample scrub. Okay. The sample scrub. Let's see what it smells like. Let's say honey. It smells good too. And I mean, it is a sample. This tubing, look. Can y'all see it? Okay. They could have at least filled it up. Okay. Have y'all tried these? You'll love it. You'll love it. If you're bougie, you'll love it. Okay, see. I love this one. Okay, there you go. Stamp there, Lush. And so once I put this bath bomb in the bath water, the water is going to actually turn this color, and the scent is going to come out as well. Okay, and I have another one. Okay, that's the birthday cake. Confetti. So for all of your home spa, you try Lush, and I guarantee you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed. I discovered them while in Atlanta. Y'all know when I was in Alabama, I went to Atlanta, the Lenox Mall, all the time. And so that's where I discovered, oh, it smells so good. And y'all know I love fragrances, and so that's where I discovered this shop. So y'all please like, share, subscribe, and please hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I am dropping new videos. And let me know, have you all tried Lush? And what is your favorite? If you have, tell me what is your favorite bath bomb. Shalom.